Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Soul Red Metallic 2015 Mazda 3 ISV, stock number A7116. Sitting up front, you have factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Kumo tire. Inside you have a black cloth upholstery which is in fantastic condition. Seating for 2 in the front row and seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Mazda 3. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside. And the reason that I'm showing you this Mazda today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are carpeted floor mats. This is equipped with traction control. Coming over to the steering wheel, just a little pass behind here, you can see your push button start. There is an AM/FM radio here. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. You're going to get awesome gas mileage in this. You're looking at around 41 miles per gallon in highway mileage. If you'd like to get more information on this Mazda 3 or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.